Okay, so this is for Maddie. I hope that my audio is recording because I've been playing around with different mics. So it seems like you were double clicking main scene. So this is this final sequence. As you might be aware of, this final sequence is in this final folder, and it's in this render folder right here. Some people were looking for that. And so if you double click main scene, final sequence, main scene, you're going to come to this sequence, okay? And then, mine are really little. Then you double click scene one again, and it's going to show you another pretty elaborate sequence here. And then if you double click shot one again, you're going to see this replace. And so let me just import a JPEG. Just put this together. And I'm going to replace that just because I'm like that. And then you'll go back to your final sequence, and it's probably going to say media pending for a second. But then it goes back. So you'll see it. There it is. So it's not going to play in real time because it needs to be rendered. But that's what I have found. So that's what